Hello friends, welcome all of you in my channel S&T Power Vision. In this video, I'll explain about how to calculate the previous day's sale here. Suppose here we have given the dates and sale value. So how will we calculate the previous day's sales here? I'll explain about it. So let's start. So here we have the date and sales from the orders table. This is the orders. This is our the sales value, and this is the date column we have taken. Now I'll show you how to calculate the previous day sales here. So just start here, click on the new measures. So here calculate function, sum orders sales. So previous day, that is the calendar function we'll use here. After that, date, click on run button. Now we'll move this in this table. So let's zoom it. So we can say here that this is the date column, this is the sales, and this is the previous day sales here. Suppose this is 3rd Jan, this 16.45. If it comes to the 4th Jan 2014, so here in the previous day means 3rd Jan sale is showing here. Now come forward here. If you see on the 8th January, here it is blank. But on the previous date sale, it is showing the sales value of the 7th Jan here. Now if you come on the 9th Jan here, so here it is the blank because on the 8th Jan, this is the blank value here. So like that, it always shows the previous day, means just one day before the current date here. So just an example, 18th Jan here, on 17th Jan, this was the blank value here, that's why it is showing the blank here. Now if you talk about 19th Jan here, it is 378.59, but previous day was 64.86 here. So this is the way to calculate the previous day sales here. I hope you like it. Please share and subscribe my channel S&T Power Vision. Thank you.